Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a $100 Shein coupon code completely for free. You're not going to need any credit card whatsoever. This is a legit code to be redeemed on the Shein website or app. As you can see, I already went ahead and used a code to get $100 off a purchase earlier today. It was a super quick process and I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. To get the code, you're just going to need a phone or tablet, old or new, iOS or Android, it doesn't matter. Just use whatever works best for you. It's a super straightforward process, but definitely let me know in the comments section if you do need any help. And if you can't get a code or if they've run out, just comment. I'm going to be doing this probably 10 times and getting 10 unique codes. So I'll be giving out some free key codes to my subscribers at random. Just drop a sub, like, and comment if you want to be considered for the giveaway. Okay guys, that's enough of an introduction. Now let's open the browser and head to the website. I'm using Safari, but you can use whichever browser you prefer. It's a coupon site called cozycoupons.com. cozycoupons.com. Just like that. Now, once you guys are there, you'll see the Cozy Coupons homepage. This is where you can go ahead and get tons of free key codes for games and subscriptions. I've been using this site a ton in the last few months, and it's honestly been a godsend for me. I'm going to use the search bar to find the Shein coupon. You can also just scroll down the homepage if you'd rather. When you're ready, click on Get Code and you'll be able to see more information such as usage stats. Only the last few digits of the code are showing right now. That's completely normal. Just go ahead and click Show Coupon Code and wait for a few seconds for it to generate your unique key. Okay, so the full code is ready now, but it is still locked. It says the code will be revealed after verification. This is going to be a free verification process and it's the last step before we can get the code. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Full Code and show you all how to complete verification. Up top it says complete 2 free offers to unlock your code. These apps sponsor Cozy Coupons and keep our codes free. So like it says, you need to complete any 2 of these. Each app will have instructions which have to be followed in order to unlock the code. Here you'll see a bunch of options. Yours might be different because they are based on location and device, but it all works the same. Most of these are super quick. You'll see the top app says download and install, then run for 30 seconds. The next says to just install and open to unlock. A few of the apps take a bit longer like Travel Town or Family Island where you have to get to a certain level, but they're pretty quick and fun. Plus they usually count for 2 completions since they take more time, so they're a good option if you just want to download 1 app instead of 2. To get this code, I'll just go ahead and complete these top 2 real quick. Click the app, select Unlock Now, and it will take you to the App Store or Google Play Store where you can download it. While that's downloading, I'll head back to the verification page and get the second one. Again, click the app, select Unlock Now, and install it. Okay, so this Flip app looks like it's ready, so I'll go and open it up, gonna hit continue, and I'll allow location access so that the app can verify my country. Looks like it's a betting app or something, no need to do anything else here. I'll just keep it open for 30 seconds and that should do it. Same thing for the next one, just gonna open it up for 30 seconds and then I'll be good to go. Super easy to complete, just follow the instructions on the verification page and you'll be all set. These apps help sponsor Cozy Coupons. You download a few apps and you get a free code, simple as that. Okay, so now I should be all set. Those 2 were super quick, but again, just make sure to read the instructions because your offers will likely be different. Back on the verification page, you'll see it now says 2 of 2 offers completed. That means everything worked correctly, so the code should be ready. Just gonna hit the back button to return to cozycoupons.com and copy my code. And there we go, my full unique code is unlocked and ready to go. Took less than 5 minutes and I'm all set. Now guys, that's pretty much it. Just take this key code and redeem it on the Shein website or app to get your free account credit. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.